Yo, what's good? It's your boy TRNT, and I'm back one more again. This time I'm back with a brand new album review. We about to check out the new album Gunna just put out, DS4, you know what I'm saying? So, we about to check this whole album out. No skip, no pauses, unlike them other reactors and YouTubers. Go ahead, subscribe to my channel if you new, and we gonna see if we like this song. Let's check this out.
Yeet! Panties on a bunch and making reaction vids. I hate you niggas that make reaction vids.
I don't know, bitch. I don't know that bitch. Fusion G Herbo. I don't know that bitch. This hoe better go hard. They talking I don't know that bitch.
How they hear you love that bitch, you don't know that bitch. It's like having set prices on the diamond grip.
Yeah.
You get good pussy once and they start cuffing it.
Yeah.
I step in my bag, I'm just on other shit.
Yeah.
We go BBS, no like money Mitch. I said some really rich, I'm in that color. She told me she taking a risk, I had to cut her in.
Yeah.
The road was happening here with a custom den. Stay up and keep playing carrots in my pinky ring.
Pinky ring.
Like Malcolm X, we kill by any means.
Any mean.
Yeah, I won't stay fresh like experience.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm giving up to the streets, I got plenty of these.
Yeah, yeah.
She a nasty freak, she came from New Orleans.
New Orleans.
Then I woke up sick, forgot to pull my lane. All you murder things, you want a queen, can't have a king.
Yeah.
The little streets can't get between her and her ring. How the hell you love that bitch, you don't know that bitch.
Don't know that bitch.
It's like having set prices on a diamond brick.
Done it.
You get good pussy once and they start cuffing it. I step in my bag, I'm just on other shit. We go BBS, no like money Mitch.
Money Mitch.
I said some really rich, I'm in that color. She told me she taking a risk, I had to cut her in. The road was happening here with a custom den. My cousin down the road, he call on Imo. Pick backing up, I do my show, it's time to go. Now hit a joke, you hit a post, cut a post. Got both on hold, they lick me like an envelope. I was at the All-Star game in Chicago. Came through the side, though I was with my side hoe. Country Herbo and Durkee, yo, yeah, Shrunky, yo. So Scotty and Gelato, this ain't busted though. How they hear you love that bitch, you don't know that bitch. It's like having set prices on the diamond brick. You get good pussy once and they start cuffing it. I step in my bag, I'm just on other shit. She Herbo rich as fuck, but I want 100 M's. Crib in the hills, straight by the field, drilling with a gun in hand.
Yeah.
Just in the land, but I put on gun, my twin, and they killing me.
Yeah.
It's a pandemic, but I'm running out of rubber bands. Cuban like 300 grams. You know me, I understand.
Damn.
Wifey still love the fans.
Man.
In that new coupe on the E-way, I'm like, fuck the trans.
Yeah.
Got too much pain, and I'm fuck 300 grand. Front that much to my man. Lil' ho, I got rich friends. Folks say he like Rich Porter. I can't go like Killer Cam. Wipe that pussy nose, cause I'm with Slender. He was post up in that 4 distance, they can't find him. Love her like you discover her, just Mr. Bitch, Miranda. I don't know you love that bitch, you don't know that bitch. It's like having set prices on a diamond grip. You get good pussy once and they start cuffing it. I slip it in my bag, I'm just on other shit. We go BBS, no like money Mitch. I said some really rich, I'm in that color. She told me she taking a risk, I had to cut her in. The road was happening here with a custom den.
Yeah. I don't know that bitch featuring G Herbo. You know what I'm saying? That's another okay song, a track filler to me. You know what I'm saying? It's a cool little vibe. G Herbo, he did his thing earlier this year, so I know they had to connect because he making a lot of noise. And his verse was pretty okay. I can see why some people fuck with G Herbo. I'm still not no big fan. He haven't make me like check out some of his personal music yet. His verses been cool, they just haven't been fire enough to get me to become a fan. But anywho, Gunna, he ate the beat, rode on that hoe as normal as usual. But 0 out of 10, I give that song a good 6. You know what I'm saying? It's still a good song, got potential, you know what I'm saying? But it's a 6 in my book. Anywho, tell me what y'all think about this song. Tell me what y'all think about the album so far. What's y'all favorite song on the album? And what else y'all want me to react to? Drop that in the comments. Like, share if you care. Subscribe to my channel if you new. And guess what? We ain't through. Let's check out the next video. I holla.